Well, joining us now, Anita Dongre, Chief Creative Officer at the House of Anita Dongre. Thank you so much for being with us. Tell us a little bit about the role that fashion designers can play, and in fact have been playing in keeping Indian textiles, handloom, traditional designs and traditional techniques alive.
First of all, congratulations NDTV on this initiative. I think the media plays a very important role in creating awareness, and I think what you have initiated is wonderful and will go a long way. I think today fashion designers need to use creativity to support this sector, and like Mrs. Tyabji, whom I deeply admire, just said, is that design plays a very important role. So working very closely with weavers and guiding them on what colors today's woman is looking for, what design she's looking for, what texture she's looking for. So fashion design plays an extremely important role to keep this sector extremely relevant. They have the skill, they have the craft, but I guess if a designer works together with weavers or with any artisan, it's a win-win situation.
Anita Dongre, thanks very much for joining us, and you're doing so much, and it's great to have you with us. And as you say, there's a lot of skill and education to be done in upgrading of the whole artisan sector, which we've done with other sectors, and we need to do it here as well. But what about the consumers? I hate to say this, but marketing, promotion, making people aware of how special handloom and artisan work in India needs to be promoted. I really feel, in fact, even NDTV doesn't do enough, and I think this should be a kind of catalyst for us, and we should be pushing and explaining all this to the average consumer, particularly the young consumer in India. Don't you think so?
You know, yeah, Pranoy, I said this exactly last week in a talk, and I just requested everybody who was listening to me. They asked me, what is the one thing that we need to do? I said, the one thing you need to do, and especially it's Diwali, it's the time to gift, is that whenever you go shopping, just try and buy one garment. You know, if you're buying 2, 3, or affluent, please try and buy one garment that's either hand woven or hand block printed or hand embroidered, anything that's done by a rural artisan. It's so important to keep rural India alive. I've always believed that sustainability lies in our Indian villages. I mean, there are so many pluses to just making sure the sector stays healthy and the craft continues. Like, you know, the two speakers before me have said that India should be proud of what we have. I think even today the tourism in our country can encourage visits to block printing units, to handloom units, where people should go and see for themselves what an amazing craft it is, how difficult it is, and how talented these weavers are in what they do. And I think just taking a pride in this legacy that we have, students being taken to weaving centers and being educated about what we have, tourists being taken there. We have so much in our country to show off, but we undermine what we have. We're always looking to the West, and I think now is really the time we need to look inside, look within, support our crafts. I also tell, because I design wedding clothes, and I always request all my guests at weddings that please give something that's hand woven, please give something that's handmade. So there are so many ways in which we all can contribute. And like I said, this sector doesn't need charity, it just needs employment.
Absolutely.
Corporates have huge CSR budgets today. They should start looking at supporting village units. And we have such large corporates with such huge budgets. I mean, there's so much. If we all collectively get together, this whole sector can see such an amazing revival, and that's what's needed.
बिल्कुल अनीता जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग। और आपकी जो क्रिएशंस हैं उसमें भारतीय कारीगरी की जो छाप है, छवि है, साफ नजर आती है। बहुत शुक्रिया जुड़ने के लिए।